it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with my last and final, I think, 23K unboxing. This is the last item that I ordered and I am excited to share it with you. It came in this bag. It is a piece of ready-to-wear. Jerusha, my bestie, has been calling me the ready-to-wear queen. Okay, I don't know if that's true, but I am definitely ready-to-wear obsessed. I feel like it is the best possible thing that you can buy at Chanel right now for the money. So, came with a cute little hanger, of course. This will probably give you a hint as to what it is, or at least as to what it isn't. Okay, in here, wrapped in tissue. Is the last piece of ready-to-wear that I ordered from this collection. I just said that, but I'm saying it again. This is the skirt to match the pink floral sweater that I got. This is the back of it, but check out these buttons. So cute. So this tweed, I believe it's actually fantasy tweed. I remember seeing that somewhere. I think it was on the website. It came with an extra one of these really cute flower buttons. I took this in a size 50 because it's quite high-waisted and fitted at the waist, and I will try it on for you right now. So let's cut away to that. Oh wait, before we do that, it also has, pockets. Pockets, I don't know if you can see that. And they're actually like pretty good size. Like you could fit a phone in there. It's lined in silk. Just the construction on this. Sorry, I was like, I'm gonna go try it on. But I was like, first, actually, let's talk through all the details. The construction on this is so beautiful, so well made. Really thick kind of, what's it called? Hem or like seam allowance. So you could let it out a ton if you want to. That's the great thing about Chanel clothing is like there are healthy seam allowances. So you can size up, I think, one, maybe two sizes. And then also you can do alterations down. This skirt retailed for $4,600. So it's a little pricier because it was the fantasy tweed. But to me, if you were gonna spend $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 at Chanel right now, I don't know if I would say get a bag. I might say get a less expensive relative to other like piece of ready-to-wear clothing. Just the overall look, aesthetic, feel, vibe, I think adds so much more than a bag. And that's switched from what I would have said in recent years. I mean, for $3,000, you can really only get a small wallet on chain. I know it's like an absurd amount of money, but at this point, I don't know. I'm like way less into the bags. I'm way more into the clothes. And I just, the clothes actually feel very special. Whereas a lot of people have recognized like sometimes the bags leave a little bit to be desired with like quality and all that quality assurance, construction, like there's just a little bit left to be desired, whereas with the clothing, nothing left to be desired. It is all so good. Anyway, let me try this on and I'll get right back to you. So here's the skirt on. You can see it's quite high-waisted. I have to stand really far back. It's like a really nice knee length with the pockets. I just have this white kind of like long sleeve shirt on. And then this jacket actually that I've paired it with currently is from, I want to say 22P or 23P, something like that. Just a basic white tweed jacket. It looks great. This is why I'm loving version-y so much. So like this looks great, but I could also mix it up a little bit. Okay, and you could just wear it on its own. Like this, or with a t-shirt, or with a black t-shirt, it would look really chic. I also have this jacket, which is from the same collection, but it's a different tweed, so it's like pattern mixing. And because the skirt's so high-waisted, this cropped jacket fits perfectly with it. You can see the cropped jacket is pink, and I have a matching jacket for that, so that would be like a really good full look. Very wintry, very Blair Waldorf. But the full runway look was actually this sweater. And you know, you wouldn't have to buy the exact sweater. You could get like a similar, you know, pink printed sweater, because this is just black, white, and pink. The skirt's just black and white to match with it. As I hit myself in the face with the sleeve. Did anyone see that? And this layered on top of the long sleeve would be super warm. So I just do like a little French fake tuck there. And this is the full runway look. I am fully wearing leggings under this skirt. I am so cold today. But you get the idea. You could do tights, you could do nothing on the leg, you could do something more sheer. Anyway, this is the runway look. Let me just tuck it in a little more. She had like the round sunglasses and then those flower earrings, which I also grabbed for the full effect. Anyway, so this is what I grabbed. I'm really happy with all the orders I did from Kay. I'm really loving Virginie and her design aesthetic. It's just like also wearable and timeless, and like literally you could be wearing this skirt for the next 10, 15, 20 years and no one would be like, oh, can't believe you're still wearing that like last season Chanel. It's like, excuse me, no, it's like totally heritage pieces, lasts forever. So cute. Anyway, that is what I picked up. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like ready to wear videos and seeing me try on ready to wear, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And otherwise, I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you're all having a great day. See you later. Bye.